Welcome to this meditation. This is a soft place to land. Today, we pause to honor the power of appreciation. Appreciation is gratitude in motion. It's the moment when a quiet feeling becomes a living exchange, when we name the good we see clearly, specifically. We change not only the moment, but the space between us. Today, we'll practice that change together. Find a comfortable position, seated or laying down. Let your hands rest easily. If it feels good, let your eyes close. Take a slow, unforced breath in through the nose. Hold it. And then a gentle breath out slowly. Again, in and out. Long enough that your exhale lasts a heartbeat longer than your inhale. Let the long exhale tell your nervous system it's safe to soften, to be here now. Let's begin a light body scan, like sunlight moving easily and steadily across the room. Bring your attention to the crown of the head, downwards towards the forehead, the small muscles around the eyes. Soften the jaw, tongue, throat, the place where our words live. Loosen them with kindness. Soften the shoulders, shoulder blades. Let them drop even if it's a little. Down the arms to elbows, wrists, hands. Across the chest and ribs, expanding and settling with breath. Feel your belly soft, your hips heavy and supported. Thighs, knees, ankles, and feet. Your 10 toes resting in the present. Stay with the rhythm of your breathing. No performance, no forcing. If thoughts wander, let them drift and circle back, like birds returning to a branch. You are simply here. Now, bring your mind to one person you appreciate. Someone whose presence steadies or brightens your life. Allow their image to gather in front of you. Not just their face, but their feeling, their energy, their way of moving through the world. Let a recent moment arise, something small. Perhaps a message they sent when you needed it, the way they listened without rushing, that quiet competence that calms you. Gently name the quality beneath the actions. Patience, courage, clarity, tenderness, humor. Offer it inwardly, as if placing a warm stone in their hands. I see your, and it matters to me. Pause here. Notice how the air between you changes when something true is named. Let that recognition bless the both of you. Take a breath and let the scene soften at the edges. Now, widen the space just enough to include you. Imagine yourself sitting across from you, not the perfect version, the true one, the one who's learning, trying, rising, resting. And ask softly, What do I appreciate about the way I have shown up for my life? It might be tender and small, getting out of bed on a heavy morning, reaching out when you wanted to withdraw, taking a breath before speaking, or choosing kindness when irritation was easier. Name that quality with the same reverence you would for a beloved. I appreciate my... If resistance appears, meet it with patience. Appreciation can be a gentle hand over your own heart. Allow your system to feel what it feels like to be recognized by you. Breathe. Let the breath be soft. If you feel ready, invite a third presence into the circle. Perhaps someone with whom there's been tension or distance. We're not rewriting history here. We're widening the length to include a single honest point of appreciation. And ask inwardly, is there one authentic quality I can acknowledge in you? Perhaps their dedication to family, their honesty even if it stings, their tenacity in hard seasons, their willingness to start again. Hold just that thread without tugging it. I can appreciate your... No fixing, no forcing, no self-betrayal. Just a small light that keeps your heart open while your boundaries stay intact. Let these three presences rest in your awareness now. The one you appreciate, the self you're learning to cherish, the person with whom you practice spacious honesty. See them as three candles, each with a steady flame. Notice how no one steals light from the other. Light only creates more light. Feel how appreciation alters a room, not by volume, but by frequency. This is the relational current of appreciation. When we name the quality we see, we build emotional safety. People soften, we soften. Connection becomes possible. Return to the breath. Let every exhale be an invitation to settle more deeply into presence. If it helps, place one hand over your heart and one over your belly. Feel the rise and fall. If tears come, bless them. If stillness come, bless that too. Nothing is required of you here except honesty and breath. We'll seal this practice with a few quiet affirmations. You can speak them out loud or often them inside your mind. Let each line be simple and sincere. I see the value in others. My presence is worthy of appreciation. Appreciation strengthens my connections and enriches my life. The more I practice, the more it flows. Now imagine a gentle ripple moving outwards from this space. It might feel different because you choose to notice and to name